India is located in which hemisphere? Answer: Northeastern Hemisphere. What is the total area of India? Answer: 3.28 million kilometers square. What is the percentage of geographical area of India as compared to world? Answer: 2.4%. What is the rank of India in world in terms of area? Answer: 7th. What is the rank of India in world in terms of population? Answer: 2nd. What is the length of India from north to south? Answer: 3214 kilometers. What is the width of India from east to west? Answer: 2933 kilometers. What is the latitude extent of India? Answer: 8 degree 4 minute to 37 degree 6 minute north. What is the longitude extent of India? Answer: 68 degree 7 minute to 97 degree 25 minute east. What is the southernmost point of India mainland? Answer: Kanyakumari. What is the latitude number of India's southernmost point, Kanyakumari? Answer: 8 degree 4 minute north. Which is the longest river lengthwise in India? Answer: Ganga, 2510 kilometers. Which is the largest river volume-wise in India? Answer: Brahmaputra. What is the name of India's largest and also the world's largest river island? Answer: Majuli Island. Where is Majuli Island located in India? Answer: Assam. Which river makes world's largest river island? Answer: Brahmaputra. What is the name of India's highest dam? Answer: Tehri Dam, 265 meters. India's highest dam, Tehri Dam, is situated on which river? Answer: Bhagirathi River, Uttarakhand. Which is the India's longest dam? Answer: Hirakud Dam, 4.8 kilometers. India's longest dam, Hirakud Dam, is situated on which river? Answer: Mahanadi River, Odisha. What is the name of India's longest bridge? Answer: Bogibeel Bridge. India's longest bridge, Bogibeel Bridge, is situated on which river? Answer: Brahmaputra River, Assam. Which is the India's highest waterfall? Answer: Jog Waterfall, Karnataka. India's highest waterfall, Jog, is situated on which river? Answer: Saravati River. What is the name of India's longest canal? Answer: Indira Gandhi Canal or Rajasthan Canal. What is the name of India's longest beach? Answer: Marina Beach, Chennai. Which state of India has longest coastline? Answer: Gujarat, 1600 kilometers. Which state of India has second longest coastline? Answer: Andhra Pradesh, 974 kilometers. What is the name of India's highest peak? Answer: K2 or Godwin Austen. Which is the highest peak of Himalayas in India? Answer: Kanchenjunga. What is the name of India's largest desert? Answer: Thar Desert, Rajasthan. Which is the India's coldest place? Answer, Dras in Jammu Kashmir. Which is the India's hottest place? Answer, Briyavali, Bikaner district, Rajasthan. What is the name of India's also the world's wettest place? Answer, Mawsynram, Meghalaya. Which is the India's only active volcanic area? Answer, Barren Island, Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Which is India's largest also the world's largest delta? Answer, Sundarbans Delta, West Bengal. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification of my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.